स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ PSU Q3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर 26 रिजल्ट टुडे ONGC Coal India HAL IRCTC among 560 companies to announce earning. Mumbai Dalal Street is the bracings for a high octane Thursday as over 560 companies are scheduled to release their Q3 financial year 2025 to 26 earnings. The spotlight remains firmly on the public sector undertaking PSU, which has recently outperformed private peers. Investors are hunting for two things: interim dividends and future guidance. The Q3 scorecard expects on bias reality analysis expected a mixed bag with energy gains facing margin pressures while defense and railway PSUs continues their structural growth trajectory. ONG Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, despite steady production, lower global crowd resolution compared to last two might wait on the bottom lines. Last result Q2 financial year 26 9,848 crore standalone expected Q3 profit 8,800 to 9,300 crore 6 sequentially declined than expected. The investor trigger was for the second interim dividend announcement and management commentary on the KG Basin output. Rams UP 2 Coal India Limited. Last result Q2 financial year 26 4,263 crore. Expected Q3 profit 6,000 to 6,400 crore. 45% QOQ growth expected, and the investor trigger e-actions premium are the key metrics. If premium remain above 80%, the stock could see a fresh breakout. 3 HAL Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Defense remains the darlings of the market. Whole focus on the indigenous is expected to reflect an improved EBITDA margin. And last result Q2 financial year 26 1,669 crore. Expected Q3 profit 1,900 to 1,980 crore. 15 to 18% YoY growth.